I have an important message to pass across in this video regarding my 120 days profitability challenge. That is me trying to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. But before I delve into that, this audio on this video might sound creepy or not. I actually don't know as at the time I'm recording this video. But in case it sounds creepy, pardon me for that, right? Now let's go into the main video. Now this is going to be like, I feel like it is like a series of excuses upon excuses that I'm giving instead of doing the work. So right now I'm in a village and I'm having a tough time to actually go to my computer and have studies to learn what I have to learn about the forex market that will enable me to become this profitable forex trader I actually want to become within the 120 days. So I've been thinking of some stuff that could help me in this journey, but actually none of them seems to be working as at this time I'm recording this video. So I have another option. Okay, I have another option. I may soon go back. I may soon go back to my place where you do see me making videos and stuff like that. I may soon go back, and when I get back, then I think we can continue everything from there. Honestly, this is a challenge for me. Okay, it's a challenge. It's been like a couple of days right now. I've not done anything, and I'm not feeling proud saying this. Okay, I'm not feeling proud coming here to tell you that, oh, I have not studied today, I have not done this today. No, this is actually like, it is pulling me back. I don't know if you've gotten what I'm trying to put across over here. It is pulling me back, so I'm not happy saying this. It is affecting me negatively, so I definitely have to find a way out to make sure I study this. Even the revision that I was doing, I wasn't able to finish. That is the part that is kind of annoying me the most. Let me put it that way, because the things that I'm supposed to study right now, there are some things that involve deep thinking, and I cannot just go ahead and study them without having to go through the previous ones. So the whole thing feels some way. Right now I don't have that much of an option there, so I think the best thing to do is to get back there, get back to my normal settings where you do see me making videos, get back there and try out some things out, right? It's not easy. It's not easy, but I just hope one day everything is going to play out well. And those of you who've been following me on this journey, you can take bullet for me, right? You can take bullet for me, and if I'm able to do this regardless of the days that I've missed, okay, if I'm able to become this profitable forex trader within this 120 days, regardless of this number of days I've not been able to study, do any revision, then that means you can also do it. If you just put it in your heart that you want to do it, that means you can do it. So just wish me luck, right? Wish me all the best. Let's see how this thing is going to go. My name is Godsway, and you're welcome to follow me on this journey as I try my best to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.